Hey everyone, are you looking to sell comic books on eBay but don't know where to start? Whether you're a seasoned collector or just trying to make some extra cash, I'm here to walk you through every step of the process. From choosing the right comics to handling inventory and shipping. Let's dive in. The first step is market research. This is a crucial phase where you gather all the necessary information to make informed decisions. Without proper market research, you might end up investing in comic books that have little to no demand, which could lead to losses. You want to figure out what comic books are in demand. This involves understanding the current trends and preferences of comic book enthusiasts. Are there specific genres or characters that are particularly popular right now? Check out eBay's sold listings to see what's selling and for how much. This will give you a clear idea of the market value of different comic books. Pay attention to the condition of the books that are selling well, as this can significantly impact their value. Look for trends. Maybe a character is in a new movie or there's buzz about a specific storyline. These trends can cause a surge in demand for certain comic books, making them more valuable. Keep an eye on upcoming movie releases and popular TV shows that feature comic book characters. Use this info to identify books that will sell quickly and at a good price. Make a list of these books and keep track of their market value. This will help you make informed purchasing decisions and avoid overpaying for comic books. Pro tip: always aim for a profit margin of at least 30 to 50%. This means you need to buy comic books at a price that allows you to sell them for a significant profit. Calculate your costs carefully, including any fees and shipping costs. That means you need to calculate how much you're willing to spend up front. Consider all your expenses and determine the maximum amount you can pay for a comic book while still achieving your desired profit margin. If a comic sells for $50, subtract eBay fees, shipping costs, and your desired profit, and that's your max buying price. This ensures that you don't overspend and can still make a good profit on your sales. Always keep these calculations in mind when making purchasing decisions. Next, it's time to source your inventory. This is one of the most exciting parts of being a comic book enthusiast or seller. The thrill of the hunt, the joy of discovery, and the potential for finding that rare gem make this process truly exhilarating. You can find comics at local shops, which often have a wide variety of both new releases and back issues. These stores are great for building relationships with knowledgeable staff who can help you find what you're looking for or even alert you to new arrivals. Conventions are another fantastic source. These events bring together sellers from all over, offering a diverse selection of comics. Plus, you get to meet fellow enthusiasts and maybe even some of the creators themselves. Estate sales can also be a goldmine, especially if the previous owner was a collector. Online marketplaces like Facebook or Craigslist offer the convenience of shopping from home. You can find great deals, but be sure to ask for detailed photos and descriptions to avoid any surprises. If you're buying in bulk, you might uncover hidden gems that are worth far more than the rest of the collection. Bulk purchases can be a cost-effective way to build your inventory, but they require careful inspection. Just make sure to inspect the condition of each comic. The value of a comic book can vary greatly depending on its condition, so this step is crucial. Look for things like spine creases, tears, stains, and page color. These imperfections can significantly reduce a comic's value, so it's important to be thorough. If it's in great shape, that's money in your pocket. A well-preserved comic can fetch a high price, especially if it's a rare or sought-after issue. Happy hunting. Now let's talk about intake. Once you've purchased your comics, start by grading them. Even if you're not a pro, use basic grading guidelines like near mint, very fine, or good. Next, bag and board them to protect them. Then, assign an inventory code to each comic. For example, if it's a Batman comic, you can use something like BAT001. This will help you stay organized later. Now for the fun part, listing your comic on eBay. This is where all your hard work pays off, and you get to share your prized comic with the world. Start with a great title. The title is the first thing potential buyers will see, so make it count. Include keywords like the comic's title, issue number, grade, and any key significance. Keywords help your listing appear in search results, making it easier for buyers to find your comic. For example, Amazing Spider-Man number 300 First Venom VFNM. This tells buyers exactly what they're getting and why it's special. Take clear, high-resolution photos of the front cover, back cover, spine, and any flaws. Good photos can make a huge difference in attracting buyers. Then, write a detailed description. The description should provide all the information a buyer needs to make an informed decision. Be honest about the condition and highlight anything special, like a first appearance or key storyline. Honesty builds trust with potential buyers and can lead to positive reviews and repeat business. Set a competitive price. Research similar listings to see what other sellers are asking for similar comics. Don't forget to choose the right shipping options. Offering multiple shipping methods can attract more buyers. Finally, review your listing before publishing. Double-check all the details to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, click List Item and your comic is live on eBay. Now sit back and wait for the offers to roll in. Happy selling! When it comes to pricing, set a competitive fixed price or start an auction if you think the comic will attract bids. For shipping, use a Gemini mailer or similar sturdy comic mailer. This protects the comic during transit. eBay offers discounted shipping labels, so take advantage of that and always include tracking information. Once your comic is listed, update your inventory system. This could be a simple spreadsheet or inventory software. Store your comics in labeled short or long boxes with your inventory codes, so you can find them easily when they sell. Keep your storage space dry and temperature controlled to avoid damage. Congratulations, your comic has sold. Now, here's what you do. Update your inventory system to mark the comic as sold. Then, pull the comic from storage, recheck its condition, and pack it securely. Add a thank you note to leave a great impression. Print your shipping label through eBay, attach it to your mailer, and drop it off at the post office. After the sale, leave positive feedback for your buyer and encourage them to do the same for you. Finally, analyze your sales to see what's working and what's not. Are certain titles or characters selling faster? Use that information to adjust your buying strategy. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to selling comic books on eBay. From sourcing and grading to listing and shipping, this process is designed to help you maximize your profits and keep your operation running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching and happy selling.